Hi, Michael here from Dzinga. In this video I'll show you how to install and set up Dzinga applications for iOS, Android, Windows and macOS. With Dzinga application you can make and receive calls anywhere, right on your smartphone, tablet or desktop computer. The app supports all the most important calling features like call transfer, conference calling and calling to internal short numbers. The last one allows you to communicate with workmates within your organization for free by dialing their unique internal number. These numbers or extensions are assigned to every employee within your organization. Now, let's install Dzinga app on your device. Go to dzinga.com website. In the main menu, choose Products. Then, in the drop-down list, click All Products. Once on the page, click on the section named Applications, and later to the section named Mobile App, Desktop App. Scroll down the page. Here they are, the download links for Dzinga app for iOS, Android, macOS and Windows. To download the app, click the icon of the platform that you prefer. Also, you may download Dzinga app for iOS and Android from App Store and Google Play. Search by Dzinga Business Calls to find it. Now, let's install and activate Dzinga app. In this video I'm using the version for macOS, but the process will look pretty similar for other platforms as well. Open the file you've just downloaded and follow instructions on the screen to complete the installation. Dzinga app is now installed on your computer, but it's inactive. To activate the app, go to dzinga.com website and log into your personal account. In the main menu, click Settings, then choose User Management. Here's a list of all the users within your account. Select the user for whom you're activating the app and click their name to open the record. User record contains login and password for Dzinga app. First, find user's email. This email will work as a login for Dzinga app. Next, scroll down the page to Hardware Settings section. Find the password field and click the closed eye symbol at the right to see the password. This is a password for Dzinga app. Now, let's activate Dzinga app for macOS. Launch the app. For login field, use the email we just saw on user's record. For password field, use the password we just copied from Hardware Settings section. Now hit Login. You're all set. Dzinga app is now ready to make and receive calls. Explore other Dzinga video tutorials on YouTube. Thanks for watching.